Good evening, folks. This is Daryl from the Dad Life channel, and we are going to make our own ketogenic barbecue sauce. You can be able to use this on any kind of meat that you want. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a no sugar added ketchup. We're going to put the entire bottle in there. This is going to equal about a cup and a half. And we're going to use some Bragg's apple cider vinegar. And we're going to do 2.5 tablespoons. That's 1 tablespoon. This is a half. We got to do 1 more tablespoon of this. 2.5. There we go. Now, 1.5 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And we're going to use 1.5 teaspoons of garlic salt. We're going to look for a teaspoon here. One and a half. We're going to use 3/4 teaspoon of pepper. You can hear my little nephew in the background here. This is the Dad Life channel. We got children going around here. 3/4 teaspoon of pepper. Half one. Let's fill this. About 3/4. About 3/4. And we're going to do 16 drops of liquid stevia. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And we're going to do 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. There was a guy on YouTube that I saw do this, and I'm just modifying it a little bit. So we have all our ingredients. Again, this is a keto-friendly barbecue sauce. It's a low-carb, low-sugar barbecue sauce, and you can use it on pretty much anything. And we're just going to kind of blend this, stir it together so it blends really well. And the guy I watched before was talking about this, said to use the whole ketchup bottle so that you can pour it back into this container, and then you have a container for it. I like that idea, so we're going to go ahead and do that as well. And once you get this pretty consistent, one thing to note while I'm doing this is you could use pretty much any kind of sweetener you want, but it's recommended to use a liquid one versus a solid one, because if you use a solid one, then you'll have to kind of simmer and cook this down for like 20 to 30 minutes. And this way, we don't have to do that. We can just stir it up really well, put it on our meat, and be ready to go. So we got done stirring this, and I kind of did a little taste test to it. It's good, but it's a little tangy. It needs a little bit more sweetener for the ribs we're doing. So we're going to add a few more drops. Let's see, we had 16. I want to add maybe 20. So 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Just mix that and see how that does. That's good. Got a little kick to it too. So we're going to go ahead and just dump this in this measuring cup. Okay. And we're going to pour it back in this bottle. Hey folks, if you like what you're watching, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell button so you can be notified when I make a new video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope you guys have a nice evening. This is Daryl checking out on the Dad Channel.